At the age of just 19 years, Devvrat Mahesh Rekhe from Ahilyanagar, Maharashtra has done something truly mind-blowing. He completed the Dandakram Parayanam of the Shukla Yajurved Madhyandini Shakha, reciting nearly 2000 mantras flawlessly for 50 straight days, all that from his memory without a single mistake or reference to books. In other words, this teen turned a centuries-old ultra-complex Vedic ritual into a modern Gen Z level achievement. But what is Dandakram Parayanam and what makes Devvrat's achievement so significant? Let's find out. I am Shivangi and you're watching India TV. So Devvrat Mahesh Rekhe has made history and even Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has praised him. But what exactly is Dandakram Parayanam? Well, think of it as the hardest mode of Vedic recitation. Unlike normal chanting, Dandakram involves complex patterns of words, tones and phonetics. Every mantra is repeated in intricate sequences to lock it perfectly in memory, ensuring that even after hundreds of years, the sacred texts stay untouched. Only a handful of people in history have completed this feat, and the last full recitation was over 200 years ago. Devvrat's Parayanam started on 2nd October and went on till 30th November, every day from 8 am to 12 noon. He recited 2.5 lakh syllables and he was guided by his father and guru, Ved Brahmasari Mahesh Chandrakant Rekhe, who is also a Vedic scholar trained in Dandakram recitation. Following this historic achievement, Kashi turned into a Vedic festival for Devvrat. A grand procession from Rath Yatra crossing to Mahmurganj with over 500 Vedic students, Shankadhwani music and devotees showering flowers celebrated his achievement. He was honoured with a golden bracelet worth ₹5 lakhs and over ₹1 lakh as blessing by the Sringeri Jagadgurus. Scholars praised the precision, calling it the crown of Vedic recitation. Now, why this matters? Well, Devvrat's achievement is not just about memorizing mantras. It shows that ancient traditions can thrive with modern dedication, proving that even a Gen Z teen can become a torchbearer of Sanatan Dharma. Therefore, in a world full of shortcuts, Devvrat Rekhe's 50-day journey of chanting, memorizing and perfecting the Vedas reminds us that true mastery comes with patience, practice and devotion. Jayatu Vediko Dharma, victory to the Vedic tradition. So were you aware of this information or not? Do comment and let us know. Till then, keep watching India TV.